This is incredible. The folks doing these events come off with a whole new spirit of life. I tear up watching the folks and helping them move their lives forward.
Yesterday I left the room crying. I'm like, no, I can't, because the adrenaline was rushing. But today, I'm happy. I'm happy I stayed.
I've got a whole team of people and different companies represented here that I'm working with, and we come out here and do this ropes course because it's an amazing course. We get great service from Mission Inn, and it's a fun way for people to realize the elements of leadership in a fun, powerful way.
Well, okay, so here's a question. Is there a rope that comes in actual ends?
These are metaphors for life, and so you're integrating learning in a way that's not judgmental and not condemning people or not having them feel shamed, and yet at the same time, it's a metaphor for how do you design your partnerships together in a way that's powerful and create amazing possibilities.
You got it.
They're letting go of stuff, choosing a concept or something that's been holding them back that they're going to let go of, and then something that they're falling into and choosing yes to.
Look at your partner.
Because of the process and the opportunity you have here to do whatever you want to do and go further than you've ever gone before, it just produces an ability in you to feel like you've been reborn and have a lot more gusto in life.